Hello friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. This video is a short video about a topic that if you are unable to ungroup any object in Wilcom design file, so how we can ungroup them. For example, I have object. For example, I have object and I will make some duplicate copies of this and Control A and Control G for group. Now it has group, as you can see that it has group. So if you have object and you are unable to ungroup them, so how you can ungroup the object? There are two ways to ungroup that type of object which is creating problem. So first you have to select this object and then you have to press right click on that, and then you will click on apply close set join button. Its shortcut is J. Okay. After applying this, then you will ungroup this object, so it will be ungrouped. Okay. And if this method not working, so there is another trick is that you have to copy this object first. Control C copy and open a new project, and here you can paste this object by Control V, and here you can ungroup them. Here it will must be ungrouped. So in this way you can ungroup any object which is creating problem. So our topic has completed. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, so please subscribe our YouTube channel for all new updates. And this is a complete learning course of Wilcom designing. So for complete learning you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com, and then you will click on Wilcom button in menu bar, and then you will open Wilcom post in English language. So I hope you will like this video. Inshallah Aziz, we will meet again in next video with next topic. So goodbye, Allah Hafiz.